Hey everyone, today we are exploring Synergy University's Dubai campus, a dynamic industry focused branch of Russia's largest private university. We will cover programs, admissions, fees, scholarships, housing, jobs, and living costs. Let's dive in. Overview and accreditation. Synergy University Dubai opened in 2013 and it's fully licensed by KHDA and AMBA accredited for its MBA programs, making it the first Russian university recognized in Dubai. With roots dating back to 1988, Synergy serves over 130 students worldwide and offers more than 100 programs. Programs offered. They offer undergraduate degrees in BA in Hotel and Restaurant Management, BA in Innovative Entrepreneurship, BA in Global Economy and Sustainability. Postgraduate. MA in Hotel and Restaurant Management, MA in Global Economy and Sustainability, plus Executive MBA including Women's Leadership and Strategy and Leadership formats. They also provide short language courses in English, Russian, Arabic, Chinese, and Japanese. Admissions and English requirements. For undergrad, you'll need a high school diploma and English proficiency via internet test, no IELTS required. MBA and master's degree, you need a bachelor degree and a proof of English proficiency, like IELTS and TOEFL. Tuition fees and scholarships. Annual tuition ranges at Synergy Dubai are approximately bachelor's 33,000 to 53,500 dirham, master's 42,000 to 53,550 dirhams. Generous scholarship opportunities include up to 50% academic excellence grants for both undergraduation and post-graduation. Early bird scholarships 25% off of tuition fees. Campus and accommodation. The campus is based in Jumeirah Lake Star in a buzzing business hub with metro access, malls, gyms, and beaches nearby. They don't offer on campus halls, but the career and care team helps students find off campus housing. Internships and career support. Synergy Dubai is proud that 57% of students secure internships during studies with over 250 plus partner companies in the UAE. The Career Center offers CV prep, interview practice, workshops, and career counseling. Hospitality students also get hands on training through partnerships such as with Central Hotels. Living cost and part-time work. Living expenses in Dubai typically ranges from 45,000 to 55,000 dirham per year, including rent, food, transport, and leisure. Students can work up to 30 hours per week alongside studies and often land paid internships. To wrap up, Synergy University Dubai offers globally accredited degrees in business, hospitality, entrepreneurship, and liberal arts with strong career backing and affordable cost. Prep your documents, aim for scholarships, and apply early via their website. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe, and ask any questions in this comment below. I'm here to help. See you next time.